The similar meaning of the word architecture is. The correct answer is A. Infrastructure. The similar meaning of the word bake is. The correct answer is C. Cook. The similar meaning of the word advance is. The correct answer is D. Progress. The opposite meaning of the word protect is. The correct answer is A. Attack. The opposite meaning of the word flood is. The correct answer is D. Empty. The opposite meaning of the word invader is. The correct answer is B. Defender. The most important features of the Indus Valley civilization are town planning and. The correct answer is A. Architecture. Each city was planned in a pattern of. The correct answer is D. Grid. The grid had straight roads, running from north to south and. The correct answer is B. East to west. The main streets were 10 meters wide enough to pass by. The correct answer is C. 2 bullock carts. The synonym of the word trash is. The correct answer is B. Rubbish. The synonym of the word enthusiastic is. The correct answer is B. Interested. The synonym of the word curiosity is. The correct answer is B. Concern. The synonym of the word companion is. The correct answer is C. Mate. The synonym of the word disguise is. The correct answer is D. Covering. The antonym of the word famous is. The correct answer is A. Common. The antonym of the word nightmare is. The correct answer is C. Vision. The antonym of the word renowned is. The correct answer is C. Inferior. The antonym of the word commences is. The correct answer is C. Ends. The antonym of the word repair is. The correct answer is D. Wrecking. Select the correct spelled word. The correct answer is B. Experience. Select the correct spelled word. The correct answer is A. Describe. Select the correct spelled word. The correct answer is B. Glamorous. Select the correct spelled word. The correct answer is A. Traditions. Select the correct spelled word. The correct answer is A. Abandon. Ali and Abdullah have decided to go to the nearby park. The correct answer is C. Decide. This shirt is yours and that is my. The correct answer is D. My. On weekends, they usually went to the nearby canal for fishing. The correct answer is C. Went. I have always looked for ways to get things done in time. The correct answer is D. Done. We should treat the young and old with kindment. The correct answer is D. Kindment. As responsible citizens, we shouldn't draw the walls the park. The correct answer is B. On. There was a pin drop silence the classroom. The correct answer is B. In. Salo was a kind and helpful boy underscore 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 nature. The correct answer is A. In one of the most remarkable deserts underscore 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 the world is the Sahara Desert. The correct answer is A. Of his window seat underscore 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 the train was very uncomfortable. The correct answer is B. On. Select the correct subject of the following sentence. The teacher teaches in the class. The correct answer is B. Teacher. Select a present tense sentence from the following. The correct answer is C. He goes to the hospital. Select the correct subject of the following sentence. Raju went back to join his team. The correct answer is D. Raju. Select the correct punctuation for this sentence. He asked if I was going. The correct answer is B. He asked if I was going. Select the proper prefix for the word agreement. The correct answer is B. Dis. The symbol mathematical intersection symbol represents. The correct answer is C. Intersection of sets. Select the following numbers that are exactly divisible by 5. The correct answer is B. 230,590. The correct order for operations in BODMAS. The correct answer is C. Brackets, order, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Choose a real number from the following. The correct answer is B. 5 halves. The correct definition of a set of natural numbers is. The correct answer is B. All positive integers including 0. If A equals A, B, C and B equals A, B, C, D, E then. The correct answer is B. A subset symbol B. If X equals 3, 4, 5, 6 and Y equals 1, 2, 3, 8 then X union set symbol Y is. The correct answer is D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. If A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and B equals 2, 4, 6, 8, B is. The correct answer is B. 1, 3, 5, 7. The decimal fraction 4/18 is. The correct answer is B. 0.222. Tabular form of A equals XX set membership symbol ZX superscript 2 equals 25 is. The correct answer is B. plus 5, minus 5. If 2 is added to the greatest 5-digit number, the number will be. The correct answer is B. 1 less than the smallest 6-digit number. The statement that defines irrational numbers is. The correct answer is A. Non-terminating and non-recurring. The reasoning in which we generalized the statement is known as. The correct answer is A. Inductive reasoning. If A union set symbol B equals A, then we can interpret this as. The correct answer is B. A mathematical intersection symbol B equals A. 3 or more points lies on the same straight line are known as. The correct answer is A. Collinear points. 15 is 20% of. The correct answer is B. 75. The current Prime Minister of Pakistan is. The correct answer is B. Shahbaz Sharif. The name of the largest desert in Pakistan is. The correct answer is A. Thar Desert. The river known as the lifeline of Pakistan is. The correct answer is D. Indus River. The name of Pakistan's space agency is. The correct answer is C. Suparko. The white color in Pakistan's flag represents. The correct answer is A. Peace and minorities. Lahore is called the heart of Pakistan because. The correct answer is C. It is the cultural and historical center. The importance of the Indus River in Pakistan is because. The correct answer is D. It is the primary source of water for agriculture. The purpose of the Lahore Resolution of 1940 was. The correct answer is A. To demand a separate homeland for Muslims. The largest continent in the world by population and area is. The correct answer is B. Asia. The longest river in the world is. The correct answer is C. Nile River. The smallest country in the world by land area is. The correct answer is D. Vatican City. The largest desert in the world is. The correct answer is A. Sahara Desert. Some countries experience more earthquakes than others because. The correct answer is C. They are located near tectonic plate boundaries. The main purpose of the Great Wall of China was to. The correct answer is B. Defense against invasions. The United Nations, UN, was formed after World War II because. The correct answer is C. To prevent future wars and promote peace. Amoeba is a/an. The correct answer is A. Unicellular organism. Liver cells join together to form. The correct answer is A. Liver tissue. All of the following are parts of the digestive system except. The correct answer is C. Heart. The control and coordination of the body comes under. The correct answer is B. Nervous system. The smallest structural and functional unit of life is. The correct answer is B. Cell. The red blood cells, RBCs, lack a nucleus too. The correct answer is B. Increase oxygen carrying capacity. The atomic number of carbon is. The correct answer is B. 6. Liquids are denser than gases due to. The correct answer is C. Small intermolecular spaces. Chlorophyll is required for the process of. The correct answer is B. Photosynthesis. The plants that grow best in the soil with low water quantity are. The correct answer is B. Xerophytes. Nashra means. The correct answer is D. To open. The key purpose of worship, ibadat, apart from the expression of servitude. The correct answer is D. To reform one's character and ethics. Pakistan shares its longest border with the country. The correct answer is C. India. The narrow strip of land that connects Pakistan with Central Asia is. The correct answer is C. Wakhan. The absence of rain over a region for some time causes the land to dry and thus results in. The correct answer is C. Drought. CPU is called the. The correct answer is D. Brain of computer. Every algorithm has a. The correct answer is D. Sequence, conditions. A formula in Excel always starts with a/n. The correct answer is B. Equal, smiley face. The temperature of a hilly mountainous area is -3 degrees Celsius. After a few hours, it will drop down by 4 degrees Celsius. Then the temperature will be. The correct answer is D. -7. Decimal number 139 will be written in binary numbers as. The correct answer is B. 100100011. If 6 people dig a well 200 m deep in 15 days, the number of people that are required to dig the same well in 18 days is. The correct answer is A. 5. Sana's school is 9 m in the north, and the market is 12 m in the east of her home. The distance between the school and the market is. The correct answer is B. 10. If you go through all possible solutions, the required algorithm is. The correct answer is B. Brute force algorithm. DBMS stands for. The correct answer is A. Database management system. You want to add audio-video file in an HTML document using the tag. The correct answer is C. Video. Second-generation computers use which technology? The correct answer is C. Transistors. Legal instrument that provides legal rights to the creator of artwork, literature, or a work that conveys information or ideas. The correct answer is B. Copyright. The function to insert data in a stacked data structure is. The correct answer is A. Push. If, else, switch statements come in which statements? The correct answer is C. Conditional.